Chapter 23 All About India. The President of India is the head of the state. He is the first citizen of India and the supreme commander of the Indian Armed Forces. Let me answer. 1. Have you ever visited a port in India? 2. Why these are important for export-import? Identify them and write their names with the help of the help list. 1. Rajendra Prasad. 2. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. 3. Dr. Zakir Hussain. 4. V.V. Giri. 5. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. 6. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. 7. Gyani Zail Singh. 8. R. Venkatraman. 9. Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma. 10. K. R. Narayan. 11. APJ Abdul Kalam. 12. Pratibha Patil. 13. Pranav Mukherjee. 14. Ramnath Kovind. Info bits. Rajendra Prasad, born December 3, 1884, Zeradi, India, died February 28, 1963, Patna. Indian politician, lawyer and journalist who was the first president of the Republic of India. Teacher's note. Tell students 13 major ports in the country that handle a lot of volume of container and cargo traffic. On the west coast, there are the parts of Mumbai, Kandla, Mangalore, JNPT, Mormugao and Cochin are on the west coast. Ask them questions about the same. Using the table, fill in the boxes with the names of ports of India. Name, state, cargo handle, million tons, percent increase, container traffic, 000 TEUs, percent increase. 1. Deen Dayal Port Trust, Gujarat, 110.10, 4.42%, 117, 95.73%. 2. Paradeep Port Trust, Odisha, 102.01, 14.68%, 7, 71.43%. 3. Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust, Maharashtra, 66.00, 6.20%, 4,833, 6.89%. 4. Visakhapatnam Port Trust, Andhra Pradesh, 63.54, 4.12%, 389, 5.66%. 5. Mumbai Port Trust, Maharashtra, 62.83, minus 0.35%, 42, minus 2.38%. 6. Syama Prasad Mukherjee Port Trust, West Bengal, 57.89, 13.61%, 796, 3.02%. 7. Chennai Port Trust, Tamil Nadu, 51.88, 3.32%, 1549, 3.49%. 8. New Mangaluru Port Trust, Karnataka, 42.06, 5.28%, 115, 17.39%. 9. V.O. Chandambarnar Port Trust, Tamil Nadu, 36.58, minus 4.91%, 698, 8.02%. 10. Kamarajar Port Limited, Tamil Nadu, 30.45, 1.42%, 300.00%. 11. Kochi Port Trust, Kerala, 32.02, 16.52%, 620, 11.69%. 12. Mormugao Port Trust, Goa, 26.90, minus 18.94%, 32, 6.25%. Info bits. Paradeep Port is an artificial and deep water port.